Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk the last part of the sex determination in Drosophila. Yes, right. We have started the series, the major four types of sex determination. Of course, we remember in the part one, part two, part three, we have already covered the three part, right? So because this is the last part, so because of that, we are just going to mention. So this is your, of course, UPSC geology optional paper 2. Okay, and this is comes in your genetics. So here the topic is the topic is sex determination, sex determination in Drosophila series part Drosophila series part 4, right? We have already covered the part 1, part 2, part 3. In that part 1, part 2, part 3, what is the major four types? By through four types mainly, right? What are the majorly four types? The first is a sex chromosomal basis. Sex chromosomal, for the quick revision, okay? Sex chromosomal basis. So we have already talked about it. Basis. So what we have already talked about it, the X or Y chromosome, Z, Z, ZW, and so on. The second thing is gene balance theory. C.B. Bridges, remember? C.B. Bridges is a scientist who actually talked about the Drosophila sex determination. Almost in every type, he has a contribution. Okay, so gene balance theory. So here we have talked about the X upon A ratio. Remember, sex chromosome, number of sex chromosome upon my number of autosomes. Remember. So third, we have talked about the gynendomorphs, gynendomorphs or gynanders. Better say like that, gynanders. Fourth, here today we'll talk about the molecular genetics. Molecular genetics, right? So these are the four types. Okay, so today we'll talk about the molecular genetics basis. What is the meaning of the molecular genetics basis? Suppose that if we want to relate, as we have talked in the earlier classes, suppose that if we want to relate that actually there is difference. Genotypically, we see the differences of the chromosome, like in that, such as if we want to relate with the human, so human male has a XY and the female has a XX. So if we want to talk about the chromosome is actually made of the chromatin fiber, and chromatin fiber is a condensation of DNA plus histone protein, isn't it? So DNA and histone protein. So DNA is actually constituting your gene, or the deciding, and gene is deciding the involving in the various protein formation or the character formation. So many things in your body. Okay. So these three we have already discussed. So today we'll talk about the gene basis. So what are the genes? Majorly is actually there's a one gene known as the SXL gene. SXL gene is actually present. The full form is sex lethal gene. Okay, so XSL gene is major. It's a one of, not one of the, I would like to say, SXL gene is the major gene involved in the Drosophila for the sex determination. Okay, fine. So what happened in that earlier development, that generally the SXL gene is absent. It is not very much active. Okay, so of course it is a gene. So there's a one more topic in our syllabus, of course, paper 2 UPSC geology optional. So there's a one more topic, genetic regulation, right, in the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes separately. So that means like gene are can be regulated, not all, but gene can be regulated at the various levels. Suppose that if we want to talk about majorly in your transcription level, okay, or the replication level, by the methylation, acetylation, bromylation, and then at the transcription level, hiding the site, origin site, then your post transcription modification, splicing, and this and this. Huh? So many level of gene regulation. So why I did just say that? Because gene is, suppose that I'm saying this is SXL gene, है ना, this XSL gene is actually involving in the embryo, है ना, embryo में ये आपकी present हो जाती है, ये आपकी female characters. The tendency of the SXL gene is actually both. Okay, this SXL gene has a tendency for defining the both male and the female character. During the early development, this XSL gene is actually regulated by so many factors, है ना. Okay, so X chromosome has a gene called SXL gene, and this is your sex lethal gene. So we know the meaning of the lethal gene, and we know already, we have already talked about that Y chromosome does not involve that much into your not that much, depending on like even when we have talked about the X upon A ratio gene balance theory, then even we have talked about, suppose that the condition was 2A plus, okay, suppose that 3A and plus XXY. So in that genic balance theory, we have only talked about the X upon A ratio, that is 2:3. Remember, we didn't even talk about the Y chromosome. Okay, so this XXY gene is a major gene which is responsible for the sex determination. This is present in your X chromosome. SXL gene is regulated by the numerator proteins. Okay, what is the numerator proteins? Actually, the numerator proteins, when we talk about, this is a sisterless A and sisterless B. Okay, sisterless A and sisterless B. This is again the, and these are the regulated by the two factors. The factors are deadpan, and extra macrokeet. Okay, so when the SXL gene form, if it is the gene promoter, okay, the gene promoter is active, then it is forming the SXL gene, and if gene like inactivator is present, then it is not allowing the formation of these two genes. Got it? So deadpan and extra chromosomal is this sisterless and sisterless A. Isko short में we say that cis A and cis B. Cis A and cis B is actually, again, this is one of the factor who regulates the numerator, and you will remember numerator and regulated by the deadpan and extra macrokeet. This deadpan and macrokeet, if they are active, what they will do? They will inactivate the cis A and cis B. So if this cis A and cis B will inactivate, then the SXL gene will not be formulated. Got it? That's how. And then again, the another thing is the SSL gene is also regulated by the splicing and processing. Okay. So this is something is interesting, as we have already talked about, that in the post-transcriptional modification, there's a adenylation, guanylation, and then splicing, right? So in that splicing, we remove the introns and just be introns and non-coding, and they protect the exons. So actually, यहाँ पे आपका splicing एक factor होता है TRA genes. We must have heard that. So TRA genes is actually is having the 4 exons. ठीक है? जब TRA gene बनना होता है, so it is having the 4 exons. But in the female, remember, in the female, the splicing of the second introns will not occur. So if the splicing of the second exon will not occur, splicing of that second exon, of course, if splicing of the second exon will not occur, it is actually, there's a one more factor. This is your U2AF. U2AF is one of the binding factor, okay, which just go and bind to and stop that splicing factor. So उसमें क्या होता है, फीमेल्स में वो बाइंड हो जाता है और वो स्प्लाइस नहीं हो पाता. ठीक है. So अगर TRA जीन्स के पास 4 exons है, then generally it has a 4 exons, then it is forming the male. अगर वो splicing अगर उसकी नहीं हुई है, then it is forming the female. Okay. Then this TRA genes is also regulated by the DSX gene. So many genes are regulating factor. So DSX gene is your gene double sex. Okay. If TRA gene and TRA gene product हो गई आपका, अभी just we have talked about the second exon in the femaleness. If TRA gene and TRA gene product is present, then DXS gene will be forming the female. As initial, we have just said that SXL gene has the formation of the tendency in the early development, both male and female. Okay, so अभी भी हम लोग किसकी बात करें? Everything we are still regulating about the SXL gene, right? So the formation of the SXL gene regulated by the so many things. TRA protein is one of the things. So TRA proteins generally have 4 exons. The TRA proteins is regulated the DSX gene. DSX gene, if TRA gene and TRA gene 2 product is active, because of course here the 2 gene splicing factor नहीं हुआ, तो 2 gene present है. So DSX gene आपका जो है बने होगा, वो आपका फॉर्म क्या करेगा? हेल्प करेगा आपका फीमेल फॉर्मेशन के लिए. ठीक है. Now it is will helping in the female sex formation. Then there are some other genes. The other genes are one of the name is your Groucho. Groucho क्या करता है? आपका बाइंड करता है deadpan से. Deadpan क्या कर रहा था आपका? Deadpan and microkeet is one of the regulating factor here in the SXL gene, है ना? With the help of the cis A and cis B, deadpan and macrokeet inactivate the cis A and cis B. If they will inactivating, then it is activating, then the stimulation of the SXL gene will be inhibited. ठीक है. यहाँ से आपका Groucho gene is also one of that. एक यहाँ पे एक और gene होता है. That name of that gene is Her gene. Her gene is your hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite. Okay. This gene is actually responsible for the, of course, her we can relate like that. This gene is responsible for the femaleness. Okay, the femaleness. So now we have just finished all these 4 types. This question generally, if you will see the PYQs, you will get this question, the sex determination in the Drosophila. So here you do not need to do the PhD in any type of, है ना, जितना जितना we have discussed in the 4th section, you can simply write the crux or the core part to show, to just mention you, of course you have the knowledge of core thing, है ना, and elaborate and try to elaborate in your own words, है ना. Please mention the core thing, and these are the mainly 4 topics. You guys can tell me if there are any confusion. Of course, I'll try to solve in that conversation. Thank you, everyone.